Hello everyone. So today we are discussing about family as the basic unit of human interaction. We all are part of family with parents, siblings, grandparents, and uncles and cousins. Friends and colleagues are also important in our life, whether at school, in our neighborhood or college. Teachers help us learn about life. We connect with people who understand us, share our interests or have the similar taste. Beyond our immediate circle, we are part of larger social order. It means that the family we live in a home, we can think about beyond that circle because we are part of larger social order. The local shopkeeper, milkman, washerman, maid or helper in our house all contribute to our life. So these all are the part of our family. From family to friend, teachers, and various social connection, we are born with live within relationship. We are born with live within relationship. They are an essential part of our existence. Let's dive deeper into the values that defines these relationships. Harmony in family. Here, here is a set of proposals for you to verify. First one is relationship is with it exists between the self and other self. Second one is the self has feeling in relationship. These feelings are between I and I. These feelings in the self I are definite. Feelings are definite. Recognizing and fulfilling these feelings, it leads to the mutual happiness. So first one, relationship is and it exists between the self I and the other self I. Relationship exists between oneself, that is, and other self, where the relationship is your family made by you, or we are, or where you burn into them. The relationship in our family is made by us, or where uh, where us burn into them. You can't create family relationship. You are born into them naturally. Similarly, families didn't create social connection. Family didn't create any social connection they rely on. They are part of the natural wave of interdependency. Family is a part of the natural wave of interdependency. Means every person is dependent on every person is interdependent on each other. We are immersed into relationship. There there are all there all and all we need to recognize and understand them. We are immersed in the relationship. So we all need to recognize and understand them. Second one, the self has feeling in relationship. These feelings are between I and I. So we're inherently connected to each other. When we explore deeper, we find that it's our inner self, that our inner self that are primarily linked, not just our body. Means our inner self is linked with each other, not just the body. Our body are just a tool. Our body are just a tool for expressing or receiving the connection. Our true understanding and feeling come from the inner self, not our bodies. For example, a mother feels connected to her child not because of their bodies but because of their inner self. Mother feels connected to her child with the inner selves. Means if the child is child is adopted, then only the mother feels the connected with her child. It's the I within them, it's the I within each of them that recognizes and feels the relationship. Third one is the self I has feeling in relationship. These feelings are between I and I. Feelings naturally exist in relationship. We can't make them to get rid of them even if they are try to ignore or deny them. They are still there. These feelings are essential to relationship and can't ignore. Now let's ask some question. So these feelings are essential to relationship and can't be ignored. So let's ask some questions. So who has these feelings? I or the body? So the feelings, the I only contains the feelings. So the answer is I. With whom does I have this feeling? With the other I or the other body? Absolutely, the answer is other I. Who wants to trust in the relationship? You or body? I want the trust. Means you. From whom do you want this trust? The other I or the other body? So the answer is other I. You can verify for yourself that it's I that desires trust. I desire trust. It's not the body. It's the person. The I means the trust, respect are related to I, not the body. When you respect someone, you respect the person, not the body. Similarly, trust is about person, the I. In short, the feelings in relationship are between I and I. Feelings are between I and I. So fourth one is these feelings in self I are definite. They can identified with definiteness. So the feelings are definite. We have learned that relationship naturally exist between between I, and that feeling are part of this relationship. These feelings are clear and non-veg, not veg. These includes values like trust, respect, and affection. Living by these values allow us to interact properly with each other. So, recognizing and fulfilling these feelings leads to mutual happiness. Once we acknowledge the human relationship, we can identify the feelings within them. Acting according to these feelings leads to mutual fulfillment in relationship. Evaluation happens naturally as we consistently access our own other feeling. For example, trust is crucial. When both sides trust each other, it leads to mutual satisfaction. If there are two friends, they both have the trust in each other, so it leads to mutual satisfaction. But doubts can lead to the unhappiness. If one of the friend have the doubt of the other, so it leads to the unhappiness. To sum up, relationship in families or society are arrangement. They just exist. The relationships in family or society are arrangement. They exist. Understanding these relationships help us naturally adopt the right feeling. To understand these relationships helps us naturally to adopt the right feelings. These feelings are clear and can be recognized. Recognizing and feeling in relationship is an activity of I, not a body. Recognizing and fulfilling is activity of I, not a body. So thank you.